Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network. We will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Threads. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about Threads and you will click in this page of app info. You will go here to first app and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support